right, what's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the Burly Bartender. Y'all know me by now, been at this a little while. So today we're gonna be doing a different kind of video. Instead of your typical making your drinks that I've been doing, we have a couple videos where I'm gonna be unboxing some high-end liquors, stuff you don't just find in any typical bar. It's expensive. So be sure to stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and check it out. All right, cool. I'll see y'all. All right, last but not least, we got the big boy, that Don Don, that 1942. Comes in this kind of box. Crazy, right? They spend a lot of money on promotion and marketing and packaging. La 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 la. Ooh. Look at that, shining, golden grail, holy grail. I love gold. I just said in my last video I would rather buy some gold, right? Like my rings. So at the Fillmore, we used to drink so much of this. Not on our dime. I used to drink this by the bottle. This was my shit. Each bar had one. Tim Dog shit. It's the big tall joint. So it looks better, elegant. Bam, bam, bam. Don Julio 1942, 100% agave, 40% alcohol. Like I said, everything else just looks good. All tequilas have the cap with the box. Give me one for my birthday if you like me. And of course, this stuff ain't cheap. You're looking at 25 to 50 a shot plus, depending on where you go. DC area, crazy. You go anywhere with a nice bar where you're safe, you're gonna spend a lot of money, probably like $100 for 2 shots. You go to Manhattan, even more, $100 a shot, I don't know. I'm not buying this. I'm gonna go to the liquor stores, get the baby jump, and that's what it's gonna be. And of course, a bottle is about $150 to $200 a bottle. Spend wisely, folks.